it's Mimi here, and today we're going to do a quick video. On Monday we did a Christmas story. It was called Yes, Virginia, There is a Santa Claus. Well, today we're going to do Grinch Clause. We are going to make a quick Grinch Kabob, and you might have seen this before. It's a healthy snack, and I think kids are going to love them. So let me show you what we're going to need. You're going to need mini marshmallows. You're going to need banana, some green grapes, and some strawberries. You're also going to need a toothpick, which I forgot to get, so I'm going to grab it right now. Okay, because you're going to need something to keep this whole thing together. So come on down here. So I have my mini marshmallows here, just need a few. And I'm going to cut slices of the banana, about that thick. Okay. Okay. And of course, one for your best friend. Oop. All right. You're also going to need strawberry. Obviously, you're going to peel off the green part. We don't need that. Okay. And of course, once again, don't forget your best friend. Here we go, buddy. There you go. Nothing hits the floor here. Okay. And then we're just going to pluck off some green grapes and get started. So, let me grab my toothpick. Woo! Well, that would have been easier just to do it this way, I guess, huh? All right. So we're going to take, this is his face. Actually, beforehand, we're going to take the strawberry and put the banana right under it, so it looks like the fur lining of the hat. We're also going to, let me see if this is long enough. Ah, perfect. We're going to push it through so you can put the marshmallow on so it looks like the pom-pom on the hat. And then simply, let's see if I can do this without it. And there you have it. There's Grinch Clause. We're going to make another one of these so you can see, very easy to do. Put the banana to the strawberry, push the toothpick right through the middle, pom-pom on top, and of course, his jolly green face. And there you have it. So, it's great for an afternoon snack, dessert after dinner, or anytime really. Healthy, sweet, and delicious. So, if you like this video, please comment down below, share, like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We love to see you back every week for an activity on Fridays. Mondays, you'll see us for a read aloud, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for circle time. See you soon. Bye-bye.